we got a 2016 Jetta 1.4. Complaint was vibration when at a stoplight. So car in drive, foot on the brake. We found the transmission mount was super loose. While we were inspecting though, we found this engine mount's actually starting to leak. This can add to it. So we're going to go ahead and replace this while we're here. Coolant reservoir's got to come loose. 2 T25s.
T25, reservoir screws.
Flip this up out of the way.
10 mil for the windshield wash.
Yeah. 213s for the motor mount support. This is really critical. You really want to put this back, number one, because it supports the windshield washer fluid, and number two, because it secures the motor mount to the body at a third point of attachment. Two 16s.
Installing the jack under the, what's the oil pan?
Oil pan, yes sir.
Be careful.
This is a steel oil pan, so it's, you know, a little easier, a little harder to mess up.
We're just placing this jack here just to jack that mount up just a smidge, take the pressure off. Two 18s.
Oh, there we go, yeah. This is our mount, pretty weak. You can tell just by the fluid color that it's going bad. The brown means water's getting into it from in here. We're going to go ahead and replace the alternator pulley while we're here. That also is starting to leak. So we're going to use the jack.
And to jack the engine up a little bit.
See how sucked in this is and flat? If you get a bulge here, the mount is taking on water. It's getting in excess fluid.
Two 16s, two 18s,
Two 13s.
and two 13s. Definitely put this bracket back.
I mean, you should obviously put everything back.
A lot of people forget. Or just
Some
laziness.
people think, yeah, you can do without it.
Two 15s. I'm just trying to jack the engine up to line up. Taking a bar, helping us line up.
This is the tricky part. You gotta make sure you're pretty center. We're back installed.
T25s, reservoir. You snap your lines back in.
Get your harness routed correctly. Millimeter in, good to go. Start up.
Startup test, not that anything would change. Ooh, nice.
sure you turn the wheel, lock the lock.
Turn the wheel lock to reset the light.
Steering light, yeah.
One more time what we did.
2016 Jetta 1.4, engine mount, transmission mount, alternator pulley, pendulum mount, aka the dog bone mount, and lower control arm bushing.
Alrighty, see you on the next.